Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about tourism and the areas in Jamaica that are emerging or that are going to emerge as major tourist destinations or major tourist areas. Now when you think of tourism in Jamaica, you think of Negril, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios. Top tourist towns not only in Jamaica but the Caribbean. But because of the developments that the government is doing, we have other areas coming up to be major players in the tourism industry. Now, on the north coast, anywhere between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios will do well for tourism. The north coast is tourism. You have Montego Bay, you have Ocho Rios. So Trelawney, Cooper's Pen will do well. But there are two other areas in Jamaica that are going to do very well towards tourism, and the government is investing in these areas. Now, I don't know if it is because of the potential of these areas why they have built the roads to go there, or if it's just because the roads are there, these areas are now going to be developed. But one is St. Thomas. Luxury hotels are going up in St. Thomas. Luxury hotels going up in St. Thomas. And the other one is St. Elizabeth, the Treasure Beach area, the Black River area. The potential for the tourism in that area is tremendous. Now, for St. Thomas, you have the Southern Coastal Highway taking you right through St. Thomas. You can get there from the airport in 5-10 minutes. Game changer. That road, I don't know if hotels would have been built there without that road. As I said earlier, I don't know if it's because the government saw the potential for tourism, why they built the road there. I don't know. Guys, let us know what you think. But it can't be a coin. Okay, and the second area is St. Elizabeth. The tourism potential on the coast for St. Elizabeth is amazing. Now, do you guys think the government built these roads to these areas because of the potential in tourism? Leave your comments in the section below. But one thing is for sure, without these major highways going into these areas, no matter how great a tourism product you have there, nobody would go. Nobody would build hotels there. Well, the massive hotels, if you didn't have a road to get there easily and comfortably. That we know. The roads on the north coast are some of the best in Jamaica when compared to the roads on the south coast. But that's changing now. The south coast is getting good roads. Okay, so for St. Thomas now, for 2030, the tourism industry, for 2030, the tourism minister is targeting the creation of 4,170 new rooms, visitor spend of US 244 million, with tax contributions of US 22 million from St. Thomas. In 2018, some 5,775 tourists stayed in the parish, but the government is aiming to attract 230,000 overnight tourists by 2030. Can you imagine 230,000 tourists spending the night in St. Thomas, staying at a hotel? 4,170 tourism rooms. And all of this is because the government built that highway over there. Now, I've said it before in other videos, I did not know St. Thomas was so beautiful. It's only since we've been going over there to make the videos and we send up the drone and you see the coastline, you're like, wow, this place has potential. Now, the other place is St. Elizabeth. Minister Bartlett, however, pointed out that the southern parishes hold huge possibilities for future tourism development, including the Keys south of Jamaica, Alligator Pond, and Treasure Beach. And Alligator Pond and Treasure Beach are in St. Elizabeth. And Black River also has a lot of potential because Black River has the port. Black River has the port, and a lot of villas are going up in Black River. But in terms of major hotels, a hotel of even 1,000 rooms or even 500 rooms, you don't have any in St. Elizabeth and you don't have any in St. Thomas. But all that is going to change. It's going to change very soon in St. Thomas because the road to St. Thomas is built. The road to St. Elizabeth is going to take 5 years to get there from Kingston. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take to get from Montego Bay to St. Elizabeth, but probably another 5 to 10 years. But the potential is there. So guys, let us know what you think. What areas you think outside of Ocherios, Montego Bay, Negril, and we have to say Trelawney now because Trelawney has emerged with Falmouth having a cruise ship pier and Cooper's Pen having 3 massive hotels and more to come. It's going to be a tourist, well, it has potential. So outside of those 4 areas, where else in Jamaica you think has the potential to become a tourist town? Leave your comments in the section below. We had said St. Thomas and St. Elizabeth because of the roads going there. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. And also let us know what you think about the ones that we mentioned. Negril, Montego Bay, Falmouth, and Ocherios. Alright guys. Have a good day.